So is this thing on? All right. All right, so here's the main page of Technical Arbitrage. Came back. I wanted to let you know I researched a little bit, and this is daunting because if you haven't read some videos or if you haven't done a little research, just clicking around, it makes it a whole lot tougher. So I went and watched a couple videos, and I came back, and just to give you kind of an intro level of kind of what I did. So as you go through, and I'm going to start with the product search. So there's a lot more I could talk about this, but I'm just going to touch on this just because this is what I've learned from the short time that I've played with it today. So for product search, as we go in here, you can click on the website name, and you just click in here and you can start typing. So for example, I'm going to look at Target's website. Once I click that, you're going to want to select a category. So categories, if you look over here at your category example, it shows you what to do. So here, when selecting a category, and these are all different for each website. So I did Lowe's, but I'm just going to touch on Target. Look over here at the category example. Use the code following the N dash. So what I did was I went up here and I went to Target and I went to toys. If you go here, anything after the N dash is what you want to copy. So once I copy this, copy, come back, and I paste it right here. So that's telling me I'm going to hit this web page. I'm going to hit the toys web page at Target. The other thing that I looked at says you want to start excluding certain things that doesn't pertain to either you're gated or there's not a lot of profit or sometimes the website screws up. So for example, I don't want to see anything where you go to remove. I don't want to see anything that ranks over 200,000. And you can adjust your listings here. But I like 200,000 just to start off with. The next thing is you're going to be shown a ton of results where the return on investment is negative. Don't ask me why. I might be able to explain it in a couple days, but you want to go over return on investment. You want to only keep data if return on investment is at least 0. So just for the sake of the example, I'm going to do 0. You can then save your filters. So it doesn't like the 0. 0.1. Okay, so there you go. So once you see the filters, it puts the little ones here. You can save it. I'm going to save this as Target 2. I click Save. So now, if you ever want to use that filter again, I could just come up here and select Target 2. Once I hit search, and I'm not going to hit search just because I've done this already. So it'll come up here, and all right. So here's your list of results, and this might not have what my criteria had before, but this gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. You want to hit, I think it's View All on this page. On this page, it's View Data. It'll bring you to this. Now, this is kind of my one-day glance at some things I've been seeing. So a lot of times, this is the product image from Target, and this is the Amazon image. So for example, if you look down, this is a bad example. Let me go over here. So if you look here, you start seeing certain things where this is Magic 8 Ball. This is the pack of 3. It looks the same, but if you go over here, it's saying your ROI is over 200%. But you got to pay attention that this is the pack of 3. Or it's a completely different item. So here is a 3-pack, and this is a 1 item. So just pay attention to these because they might not line up. So that's my Target synopsis. I'll keep going through it. Once I understand how to use these things, this will bring you to the Amazon page. This will bring you to the camel, and this tells you sales ranks on keepa.com. So you can see it hovers around 50,000 if this is something you want to look at. This falls within under my 20,000. But that's my first day look at it. Wanted to give you a heads up. That's how Target works. I'm going to play with some other sites, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching.